Hello Year 4, it's me again, Miss Samra. So I am going to record your last lesson for English this week. So today's spelling activity is to look at these common exception words we have been learning 30 seconds. After that 30 seconds, one is going to disappear at a time. Can you spot which word it is? Write the missing word on your whiteboard. So after this teaching video, you can time yourself for 30 seconds, and all you need to do is just press enter, and every time you press enter after 30 seconds, a word will disappear. What is the missing word? And you're just going to keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, and keep going. So hopefully you've written all 6 of those words onto your whiteboard. Quick revision. So today's lesson we are going to be identifying main clauses and adverbials. What is a main clause? What is a coordinating conjunction? And what is an adverbial? So a main clause is a simple sentence that makes sense on its own. A coordinating conjunction is our fanboys. Hopefully you will remember what each letter stands for. And we use coordinating conjunctions to join 2 main clauses, 2 simple sentences together. They are called, when we join 2 main clauses together, a compound sentence. And as we all know, Year 4, the English language can be very tricky because it's got lots of different names, lots of different things. And some things have more than one name, which makes it even harder. So you've got to just keep listening and keep remembering these little facts and tips. Adverbials we looked at last lesson and last week. We know that there are 5 main types of adverbials, and if an adverb goes at the front, an adverbial, goes at the front of a sentence, it's called a fronted adverbial, also known as, just to make it more confusing, a subordinate clause. Because we know from when we were doing our writing before Christmas, subordinate clauses do not make sense on their own. Today's task, I am going to give you a main clause, also known as a simple sentence. I want you to make it into a compound sentence by adding a coordinating conjunction and another main clause. Then you need to add an adverbial. Quite a tricky challenge, Year 4. For example, I ate chocolate. That could become I ate chocolate and I enjoyed it. When you add an adverbial, it could look like this. I ate chocolate after school and I enjoyed it. Remember, you can play around with where you put the adverbial, because adverbials just add extra detail, that's all. So, here are the main clauses I want you to use. I swam to shore, the tiger raced towards me, we had driven for miles. There were cats everywhere. The tennis was so exciting. So I would like you to add a conjunction and another main clause and adverbials to each of those sentences. Remember, I want you to look at the sentence I have given you. Use a coordinating conjunction to join another main clause. So you're going to make another main clause on your own. Include an adverbial to add further description. So you can place that adverbial in the middle, at the end, or at the beginning. It's up to you. Today is an assessment task. I'm just going to show you a picture. I want you to spend 5 minutes jotting down some ideas. Then you are going to write a description using all the learning from the last 2 weeks. Hopefully you remember all of the learning. Oh no, sorry. I've moved on too quickly to Friday. I thought this was Thursday's task. Apologies, Year 4. I jumped ahead. So today's task is just this main clauses one then, and tomorrow will be your assessment task. Not to worry too much though. So please do look at this task and add your own main clauses and your coordinating conjunctions and your adverbials, and upload it to Class Dojo when you are ready. Good luck.